Hello children, I welcome all the students of class 2 for maths online class. I hope you all are doing good at home. So children, today we are going to do the next exercise, that is exercise 1.3. Okay, so all of you take out your textbook, page number 13. You have to take out your copy as well, copy, pencil, eraser, everything you take out, and at first you will be doing in your textbook itself, then afterwards after the class you can write whatever I am saying in your copy. Okay, so this is exercise 1.3. Now the first question is put the symbol less than, greater than or equal to in the blanks. I will be doing only 3 rows. I will be doing, the remaining you will be doing yourself. Okay, and whatever I am doing, that one you will write in the copy, and the remaining no need to do in the copy. Okay, so with 108 and 46, see 108 is 3 digit number and 46 is 2 digit number, so it is very sure that 108 is greater than 46. Okay, in the same way 173 and 62, here 173 is 3 digit and 62 is 2 digit, so 173 is greater than 62. Now here you see 138 and 189, both are 3 digits number, and you see the ones place both are having 1, so you have in the hundreds place both are having 1, so you have to see the tens place. Tens place, here it is 3 and here it is 8. That means 8 is greater than 3. So what it is, 189 is greater. Okay, that means 138 is less than 189. In the same way, here 134 and 169, here 134 is less than 169, isn't it? Now in the same way 101 and 110, see in the hundreds place both are having 1 and 1, in tens place it is 0 and here it is 1. That means 1 is greater, so 101 is less than. Okay, now see the last question, you see it is 199 is equal to, see this one will be equal, both the numbers are equal now, so you have to write here equal. Now this one 184 is greater than 153. Okay children, only this much you have to write in the copy, the remaining questions no need to write in the copy, so I am not giving you. Okay, now here you will be writing only 2 lines, okay, in your copy. So ring the smallest number. Which is the smallest number children? Here 56 is the smallest number, isn't it? Because 56 is having 2 digits. Now here you see 129, 187 and 156. Which is the smallest one? All are having 3 digits, all are having 1 in the hundreds place, and this one is in the tens place. This is 2, this is 8 and this is 5. That means the smallest one is 129. Okay, so only these two you have to write in your copy. Okay, the remaining no need, but let me do once more here. Okay, here the smallest number is 123. Okay, so these 3, the remaining 3 you will be doing yourself in the textbook. Only the first line you have to write in the textbook, in the copy. Okay, first line means this 1 and 2 you will be writing in the copy, and the remaining no need to do in the copy. Now let us go to question number 3. Question number 3 is ring the greatest number. In the same way, here also you will be writing these 3 in your copy. Okay, these 3, this first line in the copy, the second line you will do yourself in the textbook. Okay, so which is the smallest number children? Here all are having 3 digits, so the tens place you have to see. Tens place it is 8, 4 and 9. So which is the greatest number? 9 is the greatest number. That means 194 is greatest number. Okay, in the same way the second one 107, 119 and 156, all are having 3 digits, and tens place, here it is 0, here it is 1, and here it is 5. That means 156 is greater than the other numbers. In the same way here, see, this is 2-digit number, so this one will not be great. So here it is 1 in hundreds place, here also it is 1 in hundreds place, it is 3 in the tens place, and it is 8 in tens place. So the greatest number is 185, isn't it? So you can write the first line in your copy, and these 3 you have to do in your textbook by yourself. Okay. Now question number 4. Today we'll be doing up to number 4 only. In question number 4, you have to ring the smallest. Okay, ring the smallest and cross the greatest. Okay, 2 things you have to do. You have to ring the smallest number, and also you have to cross the greatest number. So children, which is the smallest number? All these are having 3. These 2 are having 2 digits. That means 71 and 93. That means 71 is greater than smaller, isn't it? 71 is smaller than 93. So what you have to do? Ring the smallest and cross the greatest. Now find out which is the greatest number. The greatest number is 126. In the same way, this question, see, 159, 17, 129 and 116. See, all are having 3 digits number. Only this is having 2 digits. That means 17 is the smallest number, isn't it? So you have to ring the smallest number, and you tell me which is the greatest number. 1 in hundreds place, 1 in hundreds place. Here also 1 is in hundreds place. So tens place, here it is 5, here it is 2, and here it is 1. That means 5 is greater than the other. So you have to cross the greatest number. So you cross it here. Okay. In the same way, 107, okay, 107, 84, 108 and 180. Which is the smallest one? The 2-digit number is always small. So 84 is small, and the greatest number is, can you tell? Yes, it is 180. Okay children, in the same way, this one also, which is the smallest one? All are having 3 digits. Now you find out which is the smallest one. Tens place, you see 5, 8, 9, 4. That means 4 is smallest. 4 is smallest means 146 is the smallest one, and the greatest one is 191. In the same way, here also 4 numbers, all are having 3 digits. Okay, 3 digits, and all are having 1 in hundreds place. So you have to see the tens place. Tens place, here it is 4, 5, 8 and 9. So the smallest number is 4. So we have to ring this one, and the greatest one is 9. So you have to cross this one. Okay. In the same way, this one also, find out which is the smallest one. 153, 135, 105, 133. So the smallest one is 105. So circle this one, and you have to cross the biggest one. Cross 153. Okay children, I hope you understand. So today you have to write only this line, okay? Only this line in your copy. This part no need, okay? The first row in your copy and the second row not required. This one is not required to write in the copy, okay? Only this one you will write. This, these and this, and this one no need, okay? So, okay. Only this much in today's online class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.